Hey everybody, Mark Yegi here, and this person has been trading since retirement. So they retired, and now they're trying to figure out what to do. Now, the results have not been good. Their total return is not even 1%. Now, depends on when you started. Like this year has been horrible. And so if you made 1%, congratulations. And this year, that's really great. But, I have a feeling over time it's been 1%, and that's not so great because the market's done well. And it's also had this period of time. So I don't know what period of time they're measuring, but he's not even returning 1%. You're not going to get anywhere when official inflation is at 9% and you're only making 1. You're going backward. You're losing purchasing power. This person even lost $40,000 in a trade. They want to get back in the market. They want to leave a legacy for their son and daughter. I love to hear that because I think everybody should learn about having control of their finances. And we just don't teach it well in school. We teach a little budgeting here, but we don't teach systems for investing in the market, for taking control of your own finances. I love that this person wants to do that. He wants to even teach his college son how to trade. I love that. And then he wants to be able to take a vacation at any time. And don't we all want that? And it's possible. I do it. I can go all around the world and I can create that reliable income that I get from my laptop. The person wants to know when to get in, when to get out, and they heard options are easier to manage, and they're tired of trying to hit the big home runs. Our system is called the Cash Flow Machine, where we create safe, reliable income of 2 to 4% a month. Now, the biggest question that I have from most people is, hey, Mark, you're a financial guy. What stock should I buy? Well, it's an important question, but it's not the most important question because anybody can tell you what stock to buy. You can turn on the TV and you can watch Kramer and go blindly and buy a stock. And he's probably got the worst timing of anybody. So if you're buying it when he says to buy it, you're making a big mistake. Or you read an article in Money Magazine that was written 6 weeks ago and just came out yesterday, and you're buying based on that, or the Motley Fool. So you want to watch out where you get your information. But it's not about just the stock. Now, let me explain. We have 4 cornerstones in our program. It's about buying the right stock in the right market at the right spot on the chart. Now, why do you buy the right stock? Because not every stock is a good one. There's some that just go right out of business. Why do you buy it in the right market? Well, you want a good stock with a tailwind behind you so that you're not a salmon swimming upstream. So stocks are going up all together. Very important. But the really key thing is it doesn't matter what stock you buy if you don't have the probabilities in your favor. So there's a spot on the chart that has the highest probability of success. And we want to be able to find that stock, or that price, I should say, on the chart. And sometimes you can't find it. Sometimes the market takes off without you. But if you can find that spot on the chart, it's the best time to buy. And then the 4th cornerstone is, we call it squeezing the juice, or we call it collecting the rent or collecting dividends from the stocks that we have. And we use options to do that. So we have a program that helps you create safe, reliable income, like I mentioned, of 2 to 4%. Now, we use those 4 cornerstones to be able to create your system. If you have a system, the system is there for what? It's there to protect you. It's not just go buy a stock, go grab a golf club, go figure this out, go drive a stick car. It's like there's a system behind it. There's rules. The rules are there to keep the emotions out. When emotions go up, intelligence goes down, in trading especially. And so if you're making emotional decisions, you're probably making the wrong ones. If you don't have a strategy, you're just guessing. And you're guessing against billions of dollars strategizing against you and taking your money. You've got to have the edge. There's a way to get the edge in the stock market. There's a way to get the probabilities on your side. And I highly recommend you learn some system so that you can have the power in your wealth that's so critical for your retirement. So I use this person's situation to maybe help you, or help you consider that there's ways to make your retirement happen earlier, smoother, travel around the world, take vacations. And I believe in creating income from your investments rather than just that buy and hold and waiting for it to go up, because it doesn't always happen. Hope that helps. See you next time.